So hi everyone, once again welcome back to Certified Bhavah. Friends, the wait is over now. Hacktoberfest 2023 has begun and developers from all over the world is going to participate in this event. This is a month long event where developers and all the community member will participate in open source activity, open source development forum, and if you are interested to take part in this, you can participate. If you are a newbie, you don't know about Hacktoberfest, I just want to explain about the event. So this Hacktoberfest comes up every year in the month of October. If you are interested to take part in this event, then you should register yourself via GitHub or GitLab. So basically the agenda of this whole month long event is just to promote the open source activity. If you are interested in open source and how to take part in the various development activity, how to promote the development in open source, then you can take part in this. This is a very learning rich experience. If any newcomer is taking part in this, you will learn a lot. You will learn about cloud system, you will learn about version controlling like GitHub and GitLab. This is not all. You have swags and rewards which you will be getting after completion of 4 different activities. So that activity I will come to that point, but if you want to take part in this, then you have to register via GitHub or GitLab. Now let us know about this event more. We will get into in depth about this event, how we can get maximum benefit out of this event, whether this is paid or not. All the things about this event we will learn in the video. Now be with me, let's get started. So as I already said, in Hacktoberfest you can take part to promote the open source activity. If I say open source, here you will find lot of projects on GitHub and GitLab which will be tagged as Hacktoberfest level. If you see any Hacktoberfest level in any of the project which is uploaded and created by some other user, then you can take part in this open source work. That project might be from any part of life. It can be related to solving some kind of issue in JavaScript, Java, Python, C sharp, .NET, whatever it may be. If you are interested in that project, if you want to work in that project, then you can take part. You can create something which is asked in that project, and then you can submit the code. Once you submit the code, they will approve that code and they will merge in their branch. Now the branching technology and how it works there, it is a very big story. You can go and check my video related to the GitHub certification. In GitHub certification you will get to know how GitHub works and how the branching version controlling system works. So directly we are coming to the main point. You will create a pull request to the person in their repository, and once you get the approval for that, your code will be merged to that particular branch, the main branch, by that user. And once this happens, then you will be getting one bonus point for this merger. If you have 4 PR, pull request or merge request overall throughout this month, then you will be getting free swags and goodies. These swags are nothing but maybe some kind of t-shirt, some kind of digital prints, and some kind of digital swag by Digital Ocean. This is the organization main sponsor company for this event. So you might be getting things like this. There might be some kind of other goodies as well that is not disclosed, but these are the things. If you don't want to opt for t-shirt or digital swag, you can opt for tea plantation also. That option is kept from this year. Now only first 50,000 participant who are creating these 4 pull request and merge request will be getting these swags and goodies. So hurry up, you have very less time. You can create these pull request and merge request and learn a lot. Now coming to the benefits of this project, you will be learning a lot, you will be exploring a lot new technologies. You will merge, you will learn about the real time projects as you are merging or creating pull request in a new real time project. So you will be getting some benefits of digital community. You will work in a community where all the peoples are working together. You will earn some reward. Even this can be showcased in your profile, in your LinkedIn profile, to let others know that you are involved in so and so activity. Now coming to the process of how you will be registering and how you will proceed further in the contest, this month while contest. So month long contest, if you want to register yourself, I already said you can do that by GitHub or GitLab. You should have the account in these two platforms. If you have it, just directly go click on register. It will take the details from these portals and it will register your name. Now coming to the projects, first you have to find out the project in which you are going to work. So on the platform Hacktoberfest platform only, you will get lot of projects which is given as an example. If you don't want to do that, go on GitHub platform and search Hacktoberfest. You will get some projects which are tagged as Hacktoberfest. Then you can submit your pull request there, and once that is approved, it will be counted as one PR. What is merge request? If you create a project, you act as a a sponsor or the creator of the project. You have created one project and you need some help from the other people, you can describe it well in the content section, in the readme section of the project, and once anybody will create a pull request to your repository and you approve it, you find it well, the code is well, and it is up to the mark, you can merge it. That will be counted as one merge request. So this way you can create the pull and merge request. Now how you are going to use other person repo to create your pull request? So there is a process called forking. I will be showing all these steps in detail in the upcoming section of the video. So just bear with me. There is a process called forking. By using this forking method, you will create a clone, a copy of any GitHub repository. So it will be on your repository branch name, and once you do any kind of changes to this particular master branch, this repository, it will be in your profile only. And once you create a pull request from this repository to the main owner repository, they will get to see that okay, this pull request is coming up, whether to approve or not. So this is the way I will show in detail, but hurry up, we don't have much time, and you have to submit your 4 PR or 4 MR as soon as possible, because Hacktoberfest community takes 7 day long to approve all the PRs or MRs, because they need a lot of time to assess the request and all. So this will be a great learning experience. Don't lose the opportunity. This way you will be learning about the cloud fraternity, and this will be very much helpful. Even it will help you in grabbing GitHub certification going further, because GitHub, all the technology, all the steps, all the commands will be known to you in this while participating, while doing activity. So now I'm going to show you how to create a PR step by step. So first, you need to register on Hacktoberfest by using GitHub or GitLab. Once you log in Hacktoberfest platform with your GitHub credential, you will be seeing the GitHub platform in this way. You go to your GitHub, your repository, you will go to the URL, you will see the URL like this. In your GitHub platform, you will have this search bar. Search Hacktoberfest word in the search bar on GitHub. Once you search, you will be getting lot of repository having Hacktoberfest keyword in common. So scroll it down, and whatever you like as per your choice, you can open and copy, submit a PR in this particular repository. Now how to do it? Suppose you liked any one of these repository. You can see based on the timing, updated 15 minutes ago, updated 16 minutes ago, you can see that which repository is active. If somebody is creating a pull request or merge request, that means that is active. So suppose you created and you opened this particular repository. Once you open, it will be shown like this. So Soundarya Hacktoberfest, that means this is the person name and this is the repository name. Now you will see all the details like this, the code is given here. Now you have to go for the guidelines part. you have to read the guidelines how this person want the submission, in which fashion you have to do. So this person stated that that person is creating a vocabulary builder platform, and for that what they need they have given in a step. So first, what you have to do, you have to fork the repository. So fork the repository, then clone the repository, add a JSON file in any respective folder. You have to create a folder and you have to write a JSON file. And what will be the content of the JSON file? It will be in this format. It will be a word and the definition of meaning of that word, and what part of speech is that word. So you have to copy this template, you have to create the JSON file, you have to choose your own word with definition with this name, and then you have to merge it. So what you will do, first step is you need to fork. So once you click on fork, it will show you that your name and then the repository name. So this one is already taken, so you write vocab, anything you can write based on your interest, or if that is available, so it will be shown like this. Now create fork, nothing else. So this Hacktoberfest vocab repository will be created in my account. And how it will be shown? This is the repository and forked from the real owner. Okay. And now you got all the code here. If you want to include your file directly from this platform by using UI, you can do that, or you can clone the whole repository in any of the platform like PyCharm, VS Code, Sublime, anything, whatever you want, you can do that. But I will show you directly from here. So suppose you want to create any JSON file in this particular folder. Suppose the word name start with E and you have to create maybe noun. So you have to write your file name here. One file already exists for noun, so you can write e noun underscore one, something like that. Okay. And once you create, you have to create in this fashion. You can copy paste and then you can write your word, and then you can do all these things. Once this is done, here, once your file is ready on your local, you can do something like this: upload file, and you can upload your JSON. So suppose you can upload any JSON whatever you like. And once you have uploaded, you have to create a pull request. So pull request means you are asking the owner to pull your request, pull your data from your branch to their branch. So what you have to do, you have to go in this pull request, click on this pull request, and then here it will be shown you are sending from your repository to that person repository. So first you have to make sure that these are selected, and if I have anything which is changed, then it will show me here pull request. You click on that and then you submit. So this person will be able to see that pull request under their branch, and if the code is correct, they can approve the pull branch. Your code will be merged from your repository to their repository master branch. So this is the forking process and the merger process. But be aware, you have to follow the guidelines given by that person and how they want their code to be. So submit your PR and MR wisely. And just for your uh, easy process, how you can submit, I have already created three different repositories where the code which is being asked is very easy. You can create that code. There is a repository having hello world program. You can write in any language, you can create a pull request, I will approve that. There is a repository which is asking for some kind of program, any kind of program in any language, so that one also you can utilize. All those four repository link I will provide in the description box. You can go fork it and go through the guidelines is pretty much easy. You just need to go to the repository, upload the file in the respective section, and create a pull request. That's all. So all those free 3 to 4 repository will be provided in the description. Go follow that and create the PR.
your PR will be approved as soon as possible. So I hope you have learned a lot via this process, and it will also help you to go for the GitHub certification. After learning all these things, you can go for a basic course in which you will learn about the GitHub commands, how you will do from the command prompt, and how you will do from the various other text editor program editors like PyCharm and VS Code and all, how you can do that with commands. So all these things from UI you will learn from here, from commands you will learn via that course, and then you can go for the GitHub certification, Git certification.
So that is all from my side, friends. I hope this is a beneficial video, and you will be taking part in Hacktoberfest and upcoming contest and competitions like this. I thought to create this video in English because some of our friends asked specifically that they are unable to understand and follow the video and the content created in Hindi. So that's why I came up with English. And going further, if you have any question related to Hacktoberfest 2023, do let me know and do ask the question in the comment box. I will be responding to that as soon as possible, and hopefully this will be a great learning experience for you, and we will do it together. Happy learning.